Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of summarizing data. This is standard 3.8a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 19 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a restaurant here selling 4 sizes of pizza. Small, medium, large, and extra large, and we need to simply match that with a pictograph. So what I'm going to do, since you see I have to keep scrolling, right, what I want to do is I want to recopy this data. I'm going to use the graph draw feature, but let me recopy it off to the side so I don't have to keep scrolling up and down. So I'm just going to put SM for small, that's 4, okay, MED, medium, that's 10, L, 18, and then XL for extra large, let's make that 8. All right, now what I could do is I can just scroll this down, and I've got that, so I don't have to keep going up and down. So I need to match the pictograph. Now, here's the interesting thing. Take a look at the key. I've not seen many pictographs that have a key that each symbol represents 4 of something. Typically, it's either 1 or 2, but we could do 4. All right, so then we need to figure out how many 4s go into each of these, right? So I want to do this 2 different ways to double check my work. I want to create my own pictograph right here next to it and match the picture, and then we can just put the numbers next to each of these answer choices, A, B, C, and D as well. So if each, I'm just going to put circle equals 4, right? Well, that small is just going to have, that's just going to have 1 because 4 is just going to be that single circle, right? And we can put numbers next to each of these. That's going to be 4. That looks like 4. That looks like 4. That looks like 4. So each of the answer choices are good so far. Now I need 10. 10 for medium is going to be a little bit trickier. So watch this. You know what? I'm going to put numbers in there. That's going to be helpful. So that's going to be 4. I could do another one. It's going to be 8. But I can't do a full another one. That would be 12. Right? So I'm only 2 away from 4. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's make a second part of my key where a half one is going to equal 2. If a full one is 4, a half one is 2. So I need that half one right there to equal my 10. All right, and so that's going to be my 10 right there. So I have 2.5 basically. And look what I've got here. I've got 1, I've got 2, I've got 3. That's 4, 8, 12 on A. And I've got 2.5 there. 4, 8, that's 10. B looks good. On C, I've just got 2, right? I've got 4, 8. So that's not looking good. And then on D, I've got 4, 8, and then I've got that half one to make me 10. All right, so B and D are looking good so far. Let's check 18. All right, can we skip count by 4s to get to 18? No. We can get close, right? We can get 4, 8, 12, 16, and I need 2 more to get to 18, so I need that half a one. All right, so I need 4.5. And you notice I've got 4, 8, 12, 16. That's 20 up there. And I've got just 8. Interesting. So B, look, B only has 8. I need 18, not 8. So B's not looking good. C, 4, 8, 12, 16. And then D has got the 4, 8, 12, 16, and then that half one, 18. So D, I'm hoping is it because that's the only one that hasn't had, a mistake so far, right? We've had mistakes on these right here. And 4, 10. All right, let's look at the last one is just going to be 2 circles. That's going to be easy. 4 and 8. So that extra large looks good on A. Whoa, that's going to be an 18 down there on B. Way too large. It looks all right on C, right? 4, 8. And then obviously it needs to look right on D because that's the only one that has the 4, 10, 18, and 8. All correct. So my answer here is going to be D.